Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? We have Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? We have learned how to describe the color of an animal, like this example here. We also learned that the color is coming always after the name of the animal. And we have learned as well that the color and the animals could be feminine or masculine, like the table that you can see here. When you say these animals in French, which article are you going to use? Un or une? Look at these speech bubbles. Can you guess what we are going to learn today? You are right. Today we are going to describe the animals using the adjectives of size and colors. These are some of the adjectives that we are going to use today. Can you repeat them after me? En, grand, grande, et, énorme, petit, petite. Look at the pictures here and the sentences and try to find out where do we put the color and where do we put the size. Of course, the color comes always after the name of the animal, and the size must always come first. If the animal is feminine, so remember to add an E at the end of the color and also an E at the end of the size, like the example here. Can you say this in French? Now it's the crown's time. So if you choose to do the blue or the white crown, you will have to describe the size and the color of animals. So for the blue crown, you will have to do 3 sentences with 3 different animals. And for the white crown, you have to do 5 different animals. If you decide to do the red one, so in this case, you will do a recording of a pet story. It could be a video or a sound recording of a pet story. So you have also described the color and the size of animals. Good luck.